This is one of the insects most loved by people in China's Guangdong province. Its appearance resembles that of cicadas, and its body releases a fragrant aroma similar to osmanthus flowers. Because of this scent, it is known as the Osmanthus Cicada. In the night markets of Guangzhou, cooking Osmanthus cicadas is a skill every chef must master, after being thoroughly cleaned. The cicadas are briefly blanched in a special broth made with Sichuan peppercorns, bay leaves, sand ginger, and other secret spices. Chef Ah-Wei plans to use this unique aroma to create one of his signature dishes. He chops a green-headed duck into pieces, seasons it with scallions, ginger, and salt, and adds just 2 Osmanthus cicadas. That is enough for the entire bowl of duck to be infused with their distinctive fragrance. Under high heat, the duck becomes extraordinary. A complex aroma, reminiscent of banana, mint, and osmanthus, rushes out instantly. Many people prefer to savor it slowly, taking time to taste every layer of flavor, whether they suck the juices or chew the meat carefully. The aroma clings to their fingers and lingers until the next day.